Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 1, Introduction to Machine Learning. So the question is, for the patient age list is given here, find the IQR. IQR is nothing but interquartile range. So first we know the formula of IQR. IQR which is equals to quartile range of 0.75 minus 0 quartile range of 0.25. This is the formula to find the interquartile range. So firstly we write the list which is given here. List equals to, this is 12, 14, 19, 24, 22, 24, 26, 28, 31 and 34. So this is a list which is given here. What is our first step? To find the median. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements are there in this given list. Median is nothing but the middle value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 24 is the median. So our first median is median equals to 24. How can we take the median equals to 24? Because the list is already sorted, means increasing order. So directly we can get the median. So before the median, this is our first quartile and this is our third quartile. So first we find the first quartile, which is nothing but 0.25. So quartile which is 0.25. This is a list which is 12, 14, 19, 22. So for this, how can we find the median, which is nothing but average of second and third element? So 14 plus 19 divided by 2. So when you solve it, it becomes 16.5. So our quartile at 0.25, which is equals to 16.5. This is our first quartile. Now, so for third quartile, which is Q 0.75, the list which is 26, 28, 31 and 34. So how can we find the median for this, which is nothing but average of 7th element and 8th element, which is 28 plus 31 divided by 2. So when you solve it, it becomes 59 divided by 2, which is equals to 29.5. So now what is the formula of find the IQR, which is equals to quartile range of 0.75 minus quartile range of 0.25. So what is the value of 0.75, which is 29.5 minus 16.5. When you solve it, it becomes 13. So this is our IQR, means interquartile range. And also they can ask about the SIQR, which is nothing but semi-interquartile range. So what is the formula to find this is nothing but half of interquartile range. So 1 by 2, interquartile range is 13. So when you solve it, it becomes 6.5. So this is nothing but semi-interquartile range, which is equals to 6.5. So like that you have to solve in the examination to get the full marks. And if you want these handwritten notes, I will provide on my Telegram channel. Link is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.